to study the rational number. Rational number. So chapter 1, class 8. So rational number is a new number for you, but before knowing the rational number we have to go detail about natural number. So what is the natural number? The natural number are just counting number. If I say you to count 1 to 50, so where you will start? You will start from 1. You will start from 1. 2, like this you will do, up to you will go to 50. So this is the starting point and this is the ending point, and there is lot of ending point. There is no ending point, but upper limit is not there. So this set